Oh, good day there, friends of the internet. Got a quick one today. We're going to install some door pockets on the RMAX. My old friends over at Kemimoto sent me some. Alright, well, let's see. I've been happy with most of their stuff. Let's see what we got. Alright, so it looks like here's the door pockets, and they got this looks like removable Velcro strap that is like got this webbing in there. That's kind of neat. It's got the Kemimoto logo on there. So 0.150 thickness, so it's not quite a quarter. It's like 5/32 or so. Yeah, flexible. Doesn't seem super cheap to me. Material looks pretty good. Looks like we got some little screws here, black ones. So that's nice, they match. See what the instructions say here. Looks pretty self-explanatory to install these things. So let's see what they kind of look like lined up on the machine. There's holes already in here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like how it's going to line up. Alright, I'm going to use my Williams branded ratcheting screwdriver. I'll put a link down below. This thing's pretty nice. I want to say the snap-on is the same one, and I like how it ratchets, and then you can store bits inside the handle here. So this is kind of a cool screwdriver. Cool tool. Alright, just for giggles, I kind of want to see how these are going to thread in here. Yeah, they go in real easy. So yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend, if you're going to use a drill, just take it real easy. But it looks like I'm going to start it here too. And then we'll just, you know what I always said, your hole is my goal. So I'm not going to tighten them up at all. I just want to kind of get them started. And then we'll come around and, you know, get the rest. So quality is really good. No problems with that. Everything seems to line up real nice so far. So again, I'm going to leave those loose. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Let me get the screws. So again, we're going into plastic, so there's no need to be a gigantic gorilla putting this stuff in there. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Oh, look, your screwdriver fits perfectly in there. Easy to get at. And then it looks like these little straps kind of expand. Oh, that's cool. So you could put your tools there and grab them easier. Yeah, I like that. Let me grab a map. I want to see how a map is going to fit in there. Crusty map from when we went riding. You can see it's all folded up. So if I would have had these pockets, look at that. Put my map in there. That's perfect. What about my little trail saw? Oh yeah, that's cool. That fits good. Alright, let's get in this thing. How's it do when we close it? Oh, that's nice. Not in the way. Yeah, wow. Really nice. Definitely recommend this. I wish I bought these right away. This is a great idea. Get your cool tool out of there nice and easy. Get your map out of there. You got your chopping saw. There's plenty of space in here. I mean, you know, you could fit hot dogs in there and packs of bubble gum, or that's definitely get these. They're worth it for sure. Yeah, cool. All right, well, let's put the other one on, see what it looks like on the other side. Actually, should we get the kid to put it on? I mean, a kid can put these on. He's 13. He knows how to work a screwdriver. If he can work a keyboard, you know, and play on YouTube and play Minecraft, he should be able to put one of these in.
So do you have to take anything off?
No, you don't take anything off. You just line up the holes there.
Yep.
So just, there you go, yep. Put the screws down.
There you go.
Yeah, now do this one, yep.
Make sure I get them all lined up perfectly.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you want to help? Big helper. Oh my goodness, you're such a big helper. Thank you. Just want to kind of go till you feel it bottom, and that's how you know it's done. Honestly, I mean, Yamaha probably should have just had these on the machine. It would have cost them like $4 to make something like this.
And it's also perfect for holding maps. It's easy accessibility for if you ever need a map to take out really quickly.
I don't know. Pretty cool. What do you think, Coke? You like it? You like it in a map pocket? Oh, yes, you do. Yep. I don't know. I don't know why I wouldn't have something like that from the factory. It literally cost them like 47 cents to make something like that. But Kemimoto, super easy instructions. Seems like a good product to me. I mean, 10 out of 10, I guess. I'll rock them for sure. And they'll definitely come in handy on the next trail adventure. Oh, what? You don't like farmers? Say hi, Family Cookie. All right, so Kemimoto door pockets, 10 out of 10. Like them. We'll see how they hold up, but I don't see why. I don't see why they won't be good for a long time. And check them out. I'll put a link down at the bottom, and you can get yourself a pair and have your kids install them, since you don't need to install them yourself. So a baby can install them. So, all right, thanks for watching. Quick one today. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Enjoy Halloween. Maybe go out and scare somebody and get some candy. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.